Okay, what we're going to do today is solve a system of equations with the addition method. There's other ways to do that, but we're doing the addition method today. So the first thing that I do is I usually write out the problem. It's already listed right there. And then we do the x minus 2y equals negative 2. So to solve this and make it so we can actually add up both of the formulas and remove one of our variables, what we do is we're going to multiply one of the formulas here, equations, and in this case we're going to multiply the bottom one by 2. So that's going to give us some values that we can use. So I multiply it by 2. What that does is it gives us this. It gives us still the top one's the same. The bottom one is going to turn into 2x negative 4y equals negative 4. Now, because we can cancel out some of the parts of this now, what we're going to do is we're going to add them up, and we end up with 3x. We end up with 0. And we also end up with 0. So to remove the 3x and actually separate the 3 from the x, what we're going to do is divide it by 3, both sides. Divided by 3. We end up with x equals 0. Now we're going to take one of the parts and we're going to plug in the value that we found for x, and that's going to give us our y. So in this case, I'm going to take this part, but I'm going to plug in the 0 for x. So we have 0 plus 4y equals 4. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take the 4y and we're going to divide it by 4 so that we can get the 4 away from the y. That's going to give us y. That's going to give us y equals 1. So our answer for this problem is y equals 1 and x equals 0.